Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am about to transform with the help of my sister Erika, who's back there, like wave hi or throw a peace sign or something. Yeah, she's gonna be doing her hair back there. I'm gonna be doing makeup with what she picked out for me. I had no say in this, so we went into Sephora and she picked out my makeup and it was a really, really good time.
There's nothing in the basket.
She's stalking. I'm nervous.
How about this new video? Sister buys my makeup in 2 minutes.
Yeah, not gonna happen. Oh, this is pretty.
You've been in here for 3 days.
Oh, stop it.
She's got 2 baskets.
I don't feel very cute right now, to be honest, so I'm hoping that she picked out good things. You know how I feel that I look when I wake up? Like someone is always gonna ask me if I'm sick. That's actually what my before is. I have constant illness vibes before I put on makeup or anything. I feel like that's just our skin tone.
Yeah, I really agree with that.
Right?
110 million %.
Ooh, you know what though? At least my nails look great. We went and got manicures last night. That was really fun. Okay, so...
Tati, at least you're not sick.
I'm not sick. I am healthy as can be, beaming with energy, and I am ready to do my makeup with all of the things that she picked out. I have no idea what... Did you get me brow stuff?
Yeah.
You did? Mm-hmm. Oh, great. Okay, so
But
Erika...
I can't promise you it's gonna be your color.
Fingers crossed. So we're going to dig right in. You look really fit.
Do I?
Yeah, you do. Wow. life hack. If you want to appear to be more active than you are, just throw on the outfit. No one will know. What do you think's the worst makeup you've ever seen me wear? Like, do you have a memory of being like, yikes?
There was one video that I
Video? Shut up.
makeup looks different at different stages during the process.
Okay.
Like you started with your eyebrows done. You didn't have other makeup on. So the primer that I got you is from Huda Beauty.
Oh.
Matte Perfection.
Yes, let's try this out. I have not tried this. This is the pre-makeup base. It says to apply 1 to 2 drops on the face. Let's set for 20 seconds before applying foundation. So I'm only gonna use this in my T-zone. I do tend to get a little bit oily there. Ooh, that's so weird. Huh. It's literally like a liquid. There's no gel to it. It's just...
Did you shake it? Are you supposed to shake it?
I don't think so. It does say to shake it. Who's the expert now? Do you have foundation for me?
Oh, yeah, I do have foundation for you. The foundation that I picked out for you is Natasha Denona Transfer Matte Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation.
It's Denona.
Denona.
I'll take that.
Okay.
Which shade? Light, medium, neutral. Sounds good to me. I have not tried this one. I've actually wanted to. I haven't had the best of luck with her foundations, but I do, obviously you guys know, love her eyeshadows so much. So I'm gonna take a brush and just, that's a pretty good match. What do you think of my YouTube career?
You want to know what I really think about your YouTube career?
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine you doing anything else with your life.
Ooh, okay, thank you. What do you think like the most cringy video that I've done is though? Like, has there been a time where you're like, no, why is she putting that on the internet? Oh my God.
Honestly, no.
Really? Wow, you are supportive. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's so nice of you. And you picked out really good foundation. For application, it's going on so nice.
We're totally related.
I'm actually...
The best thing about your YouTube career is the perks that I get.
all the free makeup. You know, mom is like,
Oh, but you
mom
know,
has turned
I
into a hoarder, okay? She comes here and she's like, oh, I have friends I can give this to back home. And she's like, I packed an empty suitcase with me. And I'm like, okay. She's like, yeah, I'm gonna just give this to some of my girlfriends. And I go back home and I open her cabinets and I'm like, mom, do you have a secret YouTube channel that I just don't know about? She's so funny. But yeah, it's like trying all this stuff. It's so much fun, right?
It is, and it's just nice to have something that's kind of new and different than what you're used to every day. It's just something about it that every girl understands. It's just fun.
This is actually, like, come look at my skin. It looks nice. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
That's awesome because I picked some up for myself.
I love you so much. You're so funny. She has like the driest but best sense of humor. Like the two of us are just very sarcastic and we kind of just like hate on everything when we're together and it's really fun.
But we're not negative though.
No.
Not hate on you.
No, no, it's only for fun. All right, what's your, actually I need concealer. We're moving on.
what?
I need concealer because I'm gonna keep piling this on otherwise and I need to just move off of it. This is great though.
So the concealer, and I'm a little bit nervous that I didn't pick out the right color for you.
The Overachiever concealer. So while I'm,
Both of us.
yes, overachievers. Erika's a nurse. I have a lot of respect for what you do. Really, really do. We'll talk about that more later.
I have respect for what you do.
Oh, thank you. I mean, I just play with makeup, but what's your favorite like story of all of us growing up, or like an embarrassing story or weird thing that I did growing up?
My favorite story was actually the one that Sabrina shared in your last video.
Playing hide and go seek in a jacket. Is that where you were going?
But when you're like 7 years old and you get in trouble by your dad, it's the funnest thing to watch.
What else? What else can you remember?
Dad said you had to put a quarter in the swear jar, and you said, well, if I give you $1, can I say it 3 more times?
Yep, sounds about right.
Yep.
A little sauce. Hey, I want to clarify something because actually my sister brought this up when we were chatting. I was tweeting and getting a little bit like, you know, a little emotional because I'm human and I'm PMSing, but actually I would probably get this way regardless. So I find it very freeing and fine by me to be more expressive over on Twitter and on Snap, and I will cuss and swear. There are still a few people that are like, Tati, I thought you said you don't cuss. No. And I'm like, no, I don't on my channel. Like where you could be playing it and your children are like in the room and it's uncomfortable for you if I'm constantly like dropping F-bombs describing makeup. Like I'm just not gonna do that. But if I'm telling you a story about my real life, if I'm responding to something with passion on Twitter, yeah, I cuss. And I have apparently done so since I was a very small child. Do we have powder?
So for the setting powder, I got Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder.
Oh yeah, I did a video on this. Do you watch my channel?
Yes.
Clearly you didn't see this one, but that's okay. This is a good powder. I like it.
Oh man, now I'm gonna have to be nervous for every item I hand.
No, you're not. Okay, so I am gonna set it and forget it. What do we got for like bronzer and blush? You got any of that over there?
Bronzer and blush. So I got you this Sculpt and Glow palette from Natasha, Denona.
Okay,
So that's for your face highlighting and contour.
that'll work. I can work with that. Yeah, I love this.
It
I
looks
broke
really
this.
pretty.
I actually broke mine. All right. Oh, damn it! I love this palette, and it's like $100. And it like all shattered. It was honestly, I could have cried. Do we have blush?
So I got you Kevyn A. Kevyn Aucoin.
Keep trying.
Kevyn Aucoin.
Kevyn Aucoin.
Kevyn Aucoin.
But I think it actually is a coin.
Aucoin.
How do you want me to do my eye look today?
So I thought it would be kind of fun. Well, I'm gonna have to show you the palette, and then I'll show you, and then I'll explain it a little bit more. I kind of had a vision.
I don't know why this is not going on the way I want it to. Gosh dang and dang it. My foundation was so good, and now it's like poo-poo. It like looks gray, or like I've been punched in the face. I almost feel like I have to start over.
Why did that not blend well?
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna just take a makeup wipe just to that area. That's so strange. That like never I've had this before and that has never happened. So I don't know. That's really weird.
That's so bizarre. It's almost like they weren't really compatible or something.
I think that the setting powder is probably a good idea only when you're like completely done.
Yeah.
Does that happen to you occasionally?
Very rare. And like I've used that palette before, so that's like super rare to be honest. I mean, like not even just like used that palette before. That was like my favorite for a very long time. This foundation is really nice.
It's really disappointing. It's a very expensive palette.
That fixed it. All right, brows. Actually, no, blush. Kevyn is gonna make everything okay.
Yeah, that looks really good now. I like that.
Yes, now we are in a good place. I like it. I actually really love that blush. And now we're gonna go in and highlight, which you know what, highlight sometimes just really, if you're having a rough day with makeup, because not every makeup day is a good one, highlight just can really, I think, distract the eye. I'm like, hey, shiny, look up here. Just ignore this, you know? Ooh, okay, I'm feeling cute again. Yay, sweet. Oh, and you got Dipbrow too. No, this is perfect, actually.
Really?
Yeah. I used to use Taupe all the time.
I
Brow
saw that you were
wiz.
like medium brown. I'm like, oh no.
No. This is good.
It's
This
really
works.
hard. Okay.
Yeah. I can do this for sure.
Oh, good. I thought that was the one thing I might have botched.
No, I love it. You're doing a good job. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in my brows.
I got you the gold palette.
Teasing you right now, but I just did a dedicated video on that. So today, as a surprise golden ticket, Miss Erika is going to be taking her very own Natasha Denona. I'll grab mine and you can tell me exactly how you envision my look, for sure.
I just think the golds and the greens look really pretty with your eyes.
Like, are we talking like that kind of green?
You think that's green?
Yeah, this is green. Oh my gosh, you guys, is this not green? That's green. It's like a goldy green.
Brass.
What kind of lipstick does she
Okay, well, so at first I had grabbed something.
Oh, she has options. Okay. Oh.
That's really pretty too.
Wow.
See,
I have
think you
options.
can rock, like, the dark
What if we
color.
mixed both to make this one a little more like a red? Right? Then it matches my nails. Oh, you have another one. Oh, you have nude. Okay, you gave me so many options. I actually just had to get rid of a bunch of my Smashbox Always On because they had expired. But this one, I actually am super curious to try this, and then I think I'll do this on top. So that being said, with my eyes,
Maybe you could do more of like a gold.
I think I'm gonna go like super duper light on the eyes, like use a lot of the browns and then have that like big loud lip.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Do you approve? Is that okay?
But first,
Oh. But wait, there is more.
the holy grail of eye primers.
Oh, she uses eye primers. See,
Yes,
you
and this
are
is
an
something,
expert.
This is
Stop
something
it.
I cannot live without this if I put eyeshadow on.
Oh, okay.
My eyeshadow has to last for 14 hours. Maybe around 5 o'clock I might have to kind of like buff and blend a little bit, but this stuff is awesome.
These are like the best when it comes to a liquid lip. Now we're gonna just take a tiny little bit of this gloss, and I am gonna use a lip brush. Actually, I'm gonna take, this is not a lip brush, but it'll work fabulously. It's just like a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to ever so slightly go over to add a little shine and color. Okay, we're going into Primer Potion, priming the eyes for a 24-hour wear time. And then we're gonna go into Denona and we are going to do the eyes. Do you have liner for me?
I do have liner for you.
Oh my gosh, you got everything.
I got you Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with a fluffy brush, go into the lightest shade in the palette, do a little of this.
So you're gonna do more of like a subtle look, nothing dramatic.
to go with like the holiday look of the lips.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I kind of don't want to overdo it, you know? Kind of just want the lips to be the statement.
Gotcha.
Are there any trends that you just really like hate that you don't get that you're like, what?
I think I like more natural looking eyebrows. So when I see them completely like
Super shaped and like
super thick, but it's not naturally like thick. I don't really get that.
what are the makeup trends where you're from?
No makeup.
Stop that, no. All right, so now I'm going into this shade right here, which doesn't look like it's a different color, but it is completely different. It has a lot more warmth to it. Do you remember when I used to do your makeup? And we do like pretend photo shoots?
Oh my gosh, all the time.
I remember I had you hold the like blow up lollipops.
Yep.
And I hung
Oh my gosh. I forgot about that.
And then do you remember when I got the Senna Cosmetics kit and like you're like, I want to make over like Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen.
Yep.
I'm actually gonna take the highlight shade from the Natasha Denona palette. Did you get me lashes?
No.
Why don't you go in the lash drawer and pick out a pair that you would like to see me put on?
Man. How am I supposed to do this?
I don't know, close your eyes and pick.
Oh gosh.
Oh, sweet. This is like the tiniest tip on a liner ever. It's kind of tough to work with. Do you have mascara?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Mascara called Caution by Hourglass.
Oh. Not bad, right? Throw some lashes on and we're good to go.
Yeah.
We're ready to do your makeup.
Woohoo.
I love this lip color so much. Oh my gosh, I love my makeup, my hair.
We can fix that too.
One or the other, you know? That's the kind of game I play.
I have Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray.
Yes.
Another thing I can't live without.
This is the good stuff.
Yep.
I love this. Ooh, my eyes are watering from something. Oh. Do you approve of my makeup? Thank you.
Queen.
Yes. I feel really cute. You
Yeah.
did such a good job. I know you don't want to be on camera, but like high five. High five. All right, so we need a better high five than that. Like, yes, that was
the
good.
right hand.
All right, you guys, I am feeling very cute, ready to go. We have plans tonight to go out to dinner and we want to be dressed up with our makeup and this and that. So what I thought would be really fun right now is to sit my sister down and glam her and film it. So if you want to see that turned into a video, maybe like next week, something like that, be sure to thumbs this one up and then you can see me, you know, teaching Erika how to make makeup last a little bit longer, kind of walking her through a more smoky eye, and you'll get to see her on camera instead of talking off camera right over here. All right, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for hanging out with us. Thank you to I just love you so much. Thank you for picking out my makeup. All right, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.